Part 4 of Celyna's small block overhaul, and in this episode it's time to start bolting on all the accessories, starting with the oil pan, the intake, and we'll go from there. Let's get started. All right, the oil pan is done. Oil pans are always tricky. One of my secrets is just because you torque it down, obviously at 12 foot-pounds and you use the torque sequence, you need to go around and use that same torque sequence 5-6 times, because as the pan's settling itself in, you'll notice the screws get loose. You'll notice, especially if you're using cork gaskets, they start compressing, loosening up. So it takes a while for everything to set in. So take your time, do it right. We're gonna let this sit for a second, start cleaning up the intake, and do that next.
There we go. All right, let's get this big baby on here. Ta-da! Ooh, okay. This is okay.
So let's go ahead and cue in that first Fast and the Furious pan over all the parts as they're working on the Supra. Yep, that's the one. So next steps, now that we have the engine on what's going to be the future starting stand, it's been a few swap meets and we should have everything we need to get this motor started and tested. Starters, we had some gaskets, some AN fittings, all the pulleys, harmonic balancers, spark plug wires, and even scored on some hugger style headers and some mufflers for 50 bucks. These are not going to be permanent, they're just for the start stand. But I think what we're going to do is we might go ahead and get started on a few things here, but really in the next video, hopefully get this thing started and all these parts installed. Thank you guys so much for following along with Celyna's build. We're going to get back to work and we'll see you in the next one.